You ever wake up and feel like your body came out of a 12-round boxing match? Even though you slept 7 to 8 hours, you stretch, you yawn, you chug coffee, still feel like a zombie. You're not lazy. You're not broken. But your energy system is out of sync. Let's stop blaming sleep for everything. This isn't just about how long you're in bed. It's about what's happening to your mind, your body, and your life around the sleep. Here are 4 non-obvious reasons you're tired all the time and how to flip the script. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for further motivational videos. Point 1. You live in survival mode 24/7. Your brain was built for short-term stress. Running from danger, solving immediate problems. But these days, you're dealing with 43 open tabs. Bills, work deadlines, WhatsApp notifications. That one text you're avoiding. And pretending you're okay when you're absolutely not. This isn't stress anymore. It's survival mode on repeat. And it burns your system out. What to do? Give your brain small moments of peace. 5 minutes of deep breathing before your day starts. Journaling 3 thoughts at night. Doing one task at a time. Multitasking is a myth. You don't need a vacation. You need a nervous system reset. Point 2. You're consuming more than you create. We consume a lot. TikToks, YouTube, news, drama, everyone's highlight reels on social media. Your brain becomes a sponge that's soaked and soggy. No wonder you feel tired. But when was the last time you created something? Try this, draw something. Write a silly story. Cook a new recipe. Plan a trip. Build something with your hands. Creating gives you life. Consuming drains it if it's not intentional. Point 3. You confuse rest with numbing out. Let's get real. Netflix isn't rest. Neither is scrolling. Neither is binging food at midnight. That's numbing, not recharging. And we do it because we're tired, anxious, overstimulated, or just bored. True rest isn't passive. It's intentional. Real rest looks like lying on the floor with no distractions. Taking a slow walk with no phone, listening to music with your eyes closed, being bored and letting your brain process. Stop numbing. Start resting. Point 4. You're missing what energizes you spiritually. This one's deep. Some of us are tired because we've lost connection to something bigger. It's not about religion. It's about purpose, alignment, feeling like you matter. When you're just going through the motions, wake up, work, eat, scroll, sleep. You lose your spark. And when the soul's tired, no amount of sleep helps. Reconnect. What makes you feel alive? Who makes you feel seen? What would you do if money wasn't an issue? Ask the questions that make you uncomfortable. That's where your energy starts to return. If you've made it this far, you're probably tired for reasons deeper than sleep. Fix your nervous system. Create more than you consume. Rest for real. Reconnect with your why. Also, drop a comment what's really been draining you lately. You deserve energy that lasts, not just to exist, but to live.